Did you know this bird's beak is bigger than its entire head? And it snores in its sleep. Meet the wildest bird in the rainforest, the toucan. That giant beak? It looks heavy, but it's actually super light. It's made of keratin, just like your fingernails. Toucans love fruit, but they've got a wild side. They sometimes snack on insects, lizards, even baby birds. And their voice? Not a squawk or tweet, they croak like frogs echoing through the trees. Toucans are colorful, clever, and totally unexpected. Want more wild animal facts? Tap that heart, follow, and stay curious.